There have been tons of rumors around the DJI Pocket 4 for months, and we seem to have a potential final release date. While the official renders and the complete spec sheet haven't been leaked yet, we have new images from a drone store that have been shared by Quadro News on X. We can see a bunch of Pocket 4s ready for sale, but have you noticed that we didn't get a single image of the Pocket 4 Pro's box? We do have more leaked images that were taken while testing, but there are zero signs of the box and no accurate specs. So unlike the regular Pocket 4, the release of the Pro version might be delayed. Starting from the normal Pocket 4, here's a clear look at the design. It's basically the same as before, but now there are two new buttons that can be revealed when the screen is rotated horizontally. The left one controls the zoom, while the one on the right is customizable. It will feature a 1-inch sensor yet again, but it will record up to 4K at 120 frames per second, while featuring a refined autofocus system with object tracking. The Pocket 4 will also see a battery upgrade, now ensuring more than 200 minutes of video recording, which is roughly 40 minutes more than the Pocket 3. The expected price of the Pocket 4 is about €500. The Creator Bundle includes the carrying pouch, the extra battery handle with integrated mic, and possibly an external wireless mic mini, and it will be priced at about €650. Finally, the release date is set for April 20th, as reported by the Drone Tech store on their social media profiles. The Pocket 4 Pro, on the other hand, while there's still a possibility it will be released on the same day, will probably be available for sale later in May. We had already seen strategies like these from DJI, where the products are unveiled and the specs are revealed before the actual release to the public. The Pro version is definitely the most interesting model, mainly because of the double camera setup. And we do have some reports about its specs thanks to Drone XL. The main lens should still be powered by a 1-inch sensor, which is rumored to be 50 megapixels. It might be able to record up to 6K at 60 frames per second, and in 4K at 240 frames per second, with 10-bit and D-Log-M support. The secondary telelens should provide an optical zoom ranging between 2 times and 4 times. So that's my take on the new Pocket 4 series, which better release quickly since Insta360 has also come up with a new gimbal. I've already made a video about it, go check that out. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.